I'm going to show you a quick assembly of our Easter Brownie Baskets that I made and posted on my Facebook page yesterday. We had folks asking how we put them together, so I wanted to share that with you quickly. I have my homemade brownies that we made. I have a 3-inch biscuit cutter, and I also have a paring knife here, my Wilton 233 grass tip, 3 of my jelly beans, and I have my chocolate licorice for the handle. So I'm going to take my biscuit cutter, cut down into my brownies, give it a little twist and pull that out, and then you just want to gently push that brownie down because they are tender. I set that off to the side while I cut my second one. You can do it with just one layer, but I think it looks much better when it is stacked up and has 2 layers. So we're going to set our brownies aside. I like to turn the sticky sides in like this, flip it over. And then I have a little paring knife. I found that it makes it a little bit easier to cut into the brownie when we're adding the licorice in, so that's going to be here on the side. I'm going to take my Wilton 233 grass tip, and I want to go ahead and cover the top of my brownie. So I'm going to just start to squeeze and pull, so I can get some long and some short basket filler in my green leaf tip color here. You could change the color of the filling if you wanted to do pink or blue or yellow and use it as well. The original project that I found this under, they used green, so I wanted to follow along with that as well. Thought it was a great inspiration project. And I'm going to just squeeze and pull and fill this in. Now if you like a little more icing, you can do a second layer on top of here. And I'm kind of going a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, just pulling and letting it fall wherever it wants to fall on top. If you do like more icing, you can just go ahead and stack this up a little bit higher. And as you can see, it doesn't take very long to fill this up. And I think that's looking pretty good there. Next I'm going to take, now I'm using jelly beans. Again, the original inspiration project used the jelly beans, so I have my jelly beans are going to go into the center of the basket. And then I have my handle. This is where I'm going to gently put a little incision into the sides of the brownie to help the licorice slide in a little bit easier. Sometimes when you put the licorice in, it does crumble a little bit. And then since they are brownies, you can just kind of squash them back together. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this in. If your side starts to bow out a little bit, I just press on it. I want to get that in a little bit so it'll stay. And then if you want, once you put that handle in, you can go back if you'd like, and you can add a little bit more of the icing around that just to fill in where you pressed it in. If you like the way it was before, you don't have to add anything else in there. And if you get a little bit of the icing on your jelly bean, then all you have to do is just take it and get your finger and just wipe that off of there real quickly. And there you have it. There is our Easter Brownie Baskets. It's a great, cute little project to do with the kids for the holiday coming up. So I hope you have a great Easter. Be blessed, and thanks for joining me.